Caroma is again leading the way in bathroom innovation by introducing the patented Orbital connector. This variable connector is designed to overcome the major issue of plumbing set-out dimensions when you're installing, renovating or refitting a bathroom. The Orbital connector can extend a toilet set-out to any position within a 50mm radius. The increased flexibility enables the utilisation of existing plumbing footprints and waste outlets. Plumbers we've shown it to have already given it the thumbs up. By design, the throughway in the connector is maximised throughout its adjustment range, ensuring the avoidance of blockages and siphonage that can occur with other connectors.